everyone is trying to survive, all these companies, all these tokens, all these elements where the money is generated. And what we are doing is we are simply shaving off the mispricing, the difference which is there in the market, which is making the market more equitable. So again, our dreams are finally coming into picture. All right, so I have high level estimated timelines in which we will deploy. The course of deployment will be shared today, how each and every element which we have created, built and tested now is coming to the deployment phase. So number one is the user trade limits, which are again changed, or there is discrepancy in the limits. We got to know after we moved the entire database from the third-party solution, that is MongoDB, which was again the dependency on the database. We created our own code is not visible to the users, so we are fixing it. We floated a web form, a Google form day before yesterday, no, 2 days ago. And that form was supposed to collect all the information from the market, from users who are facing the trade discrepancies. But unfortunately, more than 8,000 people submitted the Google form. The correction with the scripts, we are doing the same thing. So by 11th March, end of the day, EOD, we will have the user trade limits all over the database. This work will be done even before, but the ETA which is given officially from the developer house is this. So our tech team have determined all these dates on the basis of deliverables, and then the testing again and confirmation also. So this is the timeline which we have declared from the tech perspective. All right. So second thing, and very interesting, we are going to introduce the auto trading bot, the arbitrage bot based on Polygon network first on 18th of March. So we were testing, as I have been mentioning, about the auto trading bot. Without the bot, people with big flash loan limits like 60, $70 million or $50 million will be always be dreaming about their chance of getting a bot or trying to create a bot by themselves over Boomerang. So we created the bot, and some people will arbitrage using market opportunities. Some will arbitrage using the script that we are going to introduce, that we are going to deploy in a couple of days as well, where I explained in last, on the basis of your ticket size, on the basis of the asset you selected. That means you are running the algorithm for arbitrage. So this is how I explained the alternative way in which the traffic will be divided. And then there is third. So the third and recently discovered and tested mechanism is the auto trading bot. So some people will use the bot, at the same time some people will use this, but the bot will always be deployed on the technology which the which the manual user is using to arbitrage. At the same time, it will also be running with the alternative script that we have. And then Arbitrum as a network, we will start testing in a couple of days, and 3rd of April, we will deploy finally with the testing, with the mass testing of community Arbitrum network. And that will again be functional as a new route or alternative route of arbitrage. So you can switch your network from Polygon to Arbitrum and just have to keep the fee in Arbitrum, and you'll be able to run arbitrage with various pairs on Arbitrum as well. Maybe profit will be different, gas fee will be different, so will be the rewards. Okay. And then we have additional arbitrage scripts for Arbitrum. Just like we deployed Polygon initially with single script, and then we introduced multiple scripts, more pairs started to come, more opportunities, scaled up in market opportunities, and then we also tested the auto trading bot with so many scripts. So same way, Arbitrum will also be developed in order to include the same kind of functionalities as Polygon better. So by 15th of April, both of them as MVP will be able to perform properly. And then we have the ticket size, and then you run the scripts, and these scripts fetch the market opportunities for you, and then you manually select the alternative pair, and then on the basis of those pairs you will be able to have determined these timelines in order to deploy it and then test it, and then finally call it that this is a functionality which has been tested, mass tested by the community, and now it is a go ahead for the MVP. So this functionality will be final by 20th of March. And then the elephant in the room, the MVP release that we will witness on 5th of April onwards. We will move from beta version of Boomerang AI to minimum viable product. That is, from the website, we will remove beta. That will be just boomerang.trade. The saga will continue. And then we will move into the ICO part. On the Boomerang side, no one will be whitelisted. So for a couple of days, you will be able to buy and rebuy on WAAS with the token generation event. And then it will open again with WAAS and properly in real time whenever that is Boomerang token on BTC20 Smart Chain. So this is how the deployment looks like. It is indeed hard work of weeks and weeks for our tech team, hard work of weeks and weeks for all